Lightspeed Restaurant K-Series is a versatile and user-friendly ePOS system packed with handy features to help you and your staff speed up service and provide a flawless customer experience. In this demo, we'll take you through some of the system's core features. Let's get started. Lightspeed Restaurant makes taking orders from the table a painless process, from start to finish. Today, we're serving a couple at table 22. Select their table by tapping its number into the keypad on the left here. Another way to select a table is by tapping Tables in the bottom left corner and picking it out from your floor plan. Now that your guests are comfortably seated and ready to order, you can select dishes either by seat or by course using the drop-down menu beneath the table number in the top left corner. Ordering by seat helps staff to identify who's having what. This avoids confusion and enhances the overall customer experience. If guests wish to stagger their meals into courses, then ordering by course is also an option, allowing waiters to indicate to the kitchen the number of courses a table has ordered and fire each course when customers are ready. The couple at table 22 have decided to order starters and mains. Select by course in the top left corner. For their starter, the customer orders Caesar salad. Select this item by tapping on the starters category in the middle column and then from the menu items shown here on the right. To add a course, tap Add a Course, shown here below the orders. Each order will now be divided into course 1, course 2 and so on. For their second course, they order fish and chips. So again, look to the middle column, tap, then select the menu item on the right side of the screen. Now it's time for the other guests to order. To add their starters, simply tap Course 1 and select their starters. For their mains, tap on Course 2 and so on. Now they've ordered, you can send the full order to the kitchen. Then each time the customers are ready for their next course, you can tap Via Course. This will send another ticket to the kitchen, indicating that they can send the next course. At another table, a customer would like to order a gin and tonic. Here you can use product sequences to mix and match menu items to personalize the customer's experience. Using product sequences, you can select from a range of specific products that together make up a single menu item. In this case, you can give a customer a choice of gins and tonics you have available. Go to the cocktails in the middle column, select gin and tonic, and you will be presented with a broad variety to choose from so you can tailor to the guests' tastes. With direct sale mode, staff can take orders without opening a table. The orders are then paid for directly by the customer. This setup works especially well for cafes, bars and food trucks. Another couple walk in and order some beers at the bar. With direct sale mode, this can be done in just a few taps. Tap on the beer category. Tap Heineken on the right side. Then tap the button once more. You pull their pints and it's time to pay. Tap on the green Pay button. As you can see, Lightspeed Restaurant accepts a variety of payment methods, and our guests would like to pay with MasterCard. Tap on the MasterCard button and then the green button in the bottom right to complete the transaction. We'll discuss payments in more detail in a second. Now you've sent all the orders to the kitchen, you'll need a way to keep track of them. That's where the floor plan also comes in handy. Tapping Tables at the bottom here leads you to an overview of your floor plan. At the bottom left corner here, you have the Filters tab. You can filter your view of the floor plan to show specific information about open tables. The Covers filter tells you how many people are seated at a table. The Time filter indicates how long a table has been open. You can compare this to your restaurant's average occupancy time. A green bar below a table on the floor plan shows that the customers haven't reached the table's average occupancy time yet. Once they've exceeded the table's average occupancy time, the bar will turn red. The Total filter shows the total revenue generated by the table so far. This helps track revenue against time spent on the table. If revenue from a table is low and guests exceed the average occupancy time for your restaurant, they can be moved along to make space for other guests. Using the Status filter, you can see what point a table is at in its life cycle. It shows how many courses the table has ordered, as well as the course that's being prepared. This updates when you fire a new course. Your guests have enjoyed their meal and now they're ready to pay. Select the tables from the keypad or the floor plan to open their bill. Tap Pay at the bottom right corner here to arrive at the payment screen. On the left here, we're given the option to split the bill either by items, covers or seat. Splitting the bill by items is handy for occasions like birthdays where customers wish to pay for another's drink or meal. Splitting by covers is for when customers wish to split the bill equally. When you split the bill by seat, Lightspeed Restaurant K-Series calculates how much each guest has to pay based on what they ordered. Once you've selected the payable items, click on the desired payment method and tap the green Pay button. In a hotel restaurant, you can split a bill by covers and then send each guest's bill to their room. Simply tap cover 1, 2 or 3 on the left side, then room charge in the middle column. Customers can also pay with gift cards using a QR code scanner. To do this, tap the gift card payment option. This will automatically open a camera with which a customer can scan their QR code. Speaking of QR codes, let's talk briefly about their capabilities in relation to Lightspeed Restaurant. With Lightspeed Restaurant, you can boost customer retention and loyalty with QR code-enabled digital loyalty features. Use them in any one of 3 ways. Offer QR code-enabled discounts to promote deals and products. When a customer orders, tap the icon in the top right corner. You can then scan the QR code the customer has received from you. You can choose which products these discounts apply to in the back office. Using these same features, QR codes can be used as digital gift cards with money preloaded onto them. QR codes can also be used as punch cards. Let's say your customer is on your loyalty program and has a digital punch card that rewards them a free coffee for every 3 coffees they buy. When a customer scans the QR code on your ePOS, it shows which promotions and deals are included in the punch card's offer. Once they claim their reward, you can deduct the price of the item from the customer's bill using a punch card button that you can make in the back office. As we've seen, Lightspeed Restaurant streamlines your table service with handy features like order by course or seat and product sequencing. It allows for quick and easy order and pay through direct sale mode. You can get full control over your restaurant plan with our comprehensive floor plan features and handle payments with ease, no matter your business type. Lastly, QR code capabilities make digital loyalty programs more manageable than ever, helping you drive customer retention. For more information on what Lightspeed Restaurant K-Series can do for you, visit our website.